Hey everybody, Johan Magnusson here, Big Swede Barbecue, and today we're making a dish that's gonna make us jump with joy. Today we're making a spaghetti bolognese. However, we're making it with a twist. Today we're making kangaroo bolognese. The first thing that we need to do is get the bolognese sauce started, so here's how we do that. The first thing that we need is a good pan, and I love this 5-quart Sauteuse from Heritage Steel. It distributes the heat very evenly, which is key when you make a bolognese. We're gonna add extra virgin olive oil to a hot pan. Then we wanna add 1 cup of finely chopped onions and about a tablespoon of finely chopped garlic and cook for about a minute. Then we wanna complete this sofrito by adding 1 cup of finely chopped celery and 1 cup of finely chopped carrot. Now we want to saute this for about 2 minutes, and then we're going to add about 1 cup of finely chopped pancetta. Now you want to cook this for another 2 minutes. Then we're going to add 1.5 pounds of ground kangaroo. And as you can see, kangaroo is really lean, so it's going to break apart beautifully in this bolognese. Add it to the pan and then split up any big chunk. Now you want to cook this for another 2 minutes. We're also going to season with some sea salt. Next, we want to add 3/4 of a cup of a good Italian wine. Scrape the bottom of the pan and reduce until almost gone. Next, we're going to add 1/2 cup of whipping cream and stir. Then we want to add 2 to 3 cups of a good broth. You can use either chicken or beef broth. And then you want to stir. And last but not least, we're going to add 1/2 tube of double concentrated tomato paste. We're gonna set the heat to low. We're gonna add the lid, and now we're gonna simmer this for 2.5 hours. If it gets dry, add a little bit of broth and stir every 30 minutes or so. The bolognese has been cooking for about 2.5 hours. It's almost ready, so it's time to start preparing the spaghetti. And we're gonna heat up some water. We're gonna heavily salt and add the spaghetti, and then we wanna cook this until al dente. The spaghetti is ready, the bolognese sauce is ready, so now it's time to put it all together. We're gonna add a scoop of the kangaroo bolognese to a pan. Then we're gonna add a little bit of the pasta water. And last but not least, we wanna add the spaghetti. Then we're gonna grate a little bit of Parmesan on top, and then this amazing kangaroo bolognese is ready to serve. And that is how I make my kangaroo bolognese. And I think the only thing left to do is to try this and see what it tastes like. It smells pretty amazing. So here we go. Rich, complex, a little bit of gaminess, but not a lot. This is actually a really good dish. I hope you try it at home. Happy grilling.